Yes, people, welcome to a clear overview of Netsuite and a review. And this might not be a fancy video, but we only want to give you the information you need, and you can make a choice based on this review. The first thing we want to cover are the pros and the cons. And a pro is efficient inventory management. For my particular area of work, inventory management is great and it's better than its competitors. Netsuite shines in the realm of inventory management, providing users with a robust system that outperforms competitors. This efficient can significantly enhance business operations, particularly in industries reliant on precise inventory tracking. Then, user-friendly navigation. I really like this program better than Salesforce because it's easier to navigate a set of systems. The intuitive user interface of Netsuite makes a preferred choice for users seeking a seamless and user-friendly experience. Navigating through the various modules and functionalities is made simpler, contributing to increased productivity. The second pro is a centralized information storage. And I really like that I can storage all of my company's information in one place. I like that our customers are easy to find, and Netsuite's ability to centralize information proves to be a major asset. Users appreciate having an unfilled platform where they can access and manage all relevant data, contributing to improved organization and accessibility. There are some cons of Netsuite, and there are high cost. There are pretty high cost and jacked up prices, extortionist mentality, poor business practices, unprofessional support, sales doctrines, etc. Some users express dissatisfaction with the pricing structure and business practices associated with Netsuite. Issues like high costs and the mentality and unprofessional support can be significant drawbacks for potential users. So the system is perfect, but the mentality and the support is not that perfect. Defects impacting business processes. There are times when we bump on a defect, and these defects will impact our businesses, processes, and users. Netsuite is not without flaws, as users occasionally encounter the defects that can disrupt business processes. Such as occurrences may lead to operational challenges and highlight areas where the platform may require further work. So another con is slow resolution of errors. When Netsuite has errors, they tend to have very bad ones and take a while to get fixed, which hurts our daily business. So another concern raised by users is the time taken to resolve errors. Critical issues can adversely affect daily business operations, and the perceived delay in fixing these problems can be source of frustration for more users, not only me. The conclusion: Oracle NetSuite present a mixed bag of experience for users, excelling in areas like inventory management and user-friendly navigation, but facing criticism for its issues relating to pricing defects and error resolutions. As with any business software, prospective users should weigh the pros and the cons carefully to determine if NetSuite aligns with their specific needs and preferences. And we come to an end to this review of NetSuite. Make a decision based on the pros and the cons, and hope to see you in the next review. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, like this video. See you in the next one. Thanks. Bye bye.